Microsoft has finally closed here today their $69 billion Activision Blizzard deal. This will be a huge boost to their gaming division. This acquisition took like 20 months to close, as you can see here in the report, after having to pass lots of regulatory hurdles in Europe, the UK, and the US, but it's finally been done. They made a couple concessions, but overall, I think this is really exciting for Microsoft, especially for a big tech company to pass an acquisition like this. In addition to this, Microsoft makes, I think, over $69 billion a year. So they pretty much use 1 year of net income to buy this company and really position themselves well for the future. So if you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video for more.